Choosing the right oven liner can make a big difference in keeping your kitchen clean and your oven in good condition. Oven liners help catch spills and crumbs, making cleaning a lot easier. In this video, I have listed the 5 best oven liners for 2024. These liners are designed to handle high temperatures and prevent sticking, and they are easy to clean. If you're looking for the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video, you'll find the links in the description below. Let's get into what makes each of these oven liners a good choice for your kitchen. Number 5. Mimic Kitchen Oven Liner. This oven liner stands out as the best versatile oven liner due to its adaptability and high-quality construction. Made from fiberglass with a Teflon coating, this oven liner is both BPA and PFOA-free, ensuring safety and durability. It can withstand temperatures up to 500 Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking applications. One of the standout features of this oven liner is its large size, which fits most standard ovens and can be cut to fit smaller ovens or specific needs, including air fryers. This oven liner is designed to protect the bottom of ovens from spills and messes, effectively keeping your oven clean and looking brand new, even after years of use. The heavy-duty material is 30% thicker than most other liners on the market, providing enhanced protection against drips and spills. Cleaning is a breeze, as it can be wiped clean with a cloth or placed on the top rack of a dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. Additionally, its non-stick surface ensures that food and spills do not adhere, making it easy to maintain. The installation process is straightforward, requiring placement on the lowest rack or tray in gas or electric ovens. For ovens with exposed heating elements, the liner should be slid under the elements, ensuring it does not come into direct contact with open flames or heating elements. This oven liner's combination of safety, durability, and ease of use makes it a versatile choice for any kitchen, catering to a variety of cooking needs. Number 4. Linda's Essentials Oven Liner. I recommend this one as the best heavy-duty option for those looking for robust protection for their ovens. This product is made from high-quality fiberglass coated with Teflon, providing a non-stick surface that is both BPA and PFOA-free. This oven liner offers extensive coverage, ensuring that the entire bottom of the oven is protected from spills, drips, and stuck-on food. The superior quality of this oven liner allows it to withstand temperatures up to 500 Fahrenheit, making it suitable for use in both electric and gas ovens. Its versatility is further enhanced by its ability to function as a BBQ grill mat, baking mat, and pan liner, making it an all-in-one kitchen accessory. This oven liner is easy to clean, either by wiping it down with a damp cloth or placing it on the top rack of a dishwasher, saving users time and effort compared to traditional oven cleaning methods. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance. In ovens with hidden heating elements, the liner should be placed on the lowest rack, while in ovens with exposed heating elements, it must be placed under the elements to avoid direct contact. The heavy-duty construction ensures that it can be used repeatedly without losing its effectiveness, providing long-term value for customers. With its durable build and multifunctional capabilities, this oven liner is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and robust oven liner. Number 3. FitFab Home Oven Liner. This oven liner is the best eco-friendly option for consumers who prioritize both performance and environmental impact. Made from 100% fiberglass, this oven liner is certified BPA and PFOA-free, providing a safe and non-toxic cooking experience. This certification ensures that users can cook with confidence, knowing their oven liner is free from harmful chemicals. The pack includes 3 liners, each designed to cover the entire area of the oven, providing comprehensive protection against spills and splatters. The versatility of this oven liners is one of its key selling points. They are suitable for use in various types of ovens, including electric, gas, toaster ovens, and even as liners for stovetops, air fryers, grills, and baking mats. This multifunctional design makes them an essential kitchen accessory for any cooking enthusiast. The liners are easy to cut to size, allowing for a customized fit in any oven or appliance. Cleaning this liner is straightforward, as they are dishwasher safe and can also be rinsed by hand. This ease of maintenance ensures that the liners remain in good condition, ready for reuse after each cleaning. The combination of eco-friendly materials, versatility, and ease of use makes this oven liner a top choice for those who want to reduce their environmental footprint while maintaining a clean and efficient kitchen. Number 2. Cook's Innovations Oven Liner. Looking for best lightweight option oven liner? Then this is the one for those who need a flexible and easy-to-handle liner. Made from non-stick PTFE, this liner provides excellent protection against spills and messes while being incredibly lightweight at just 3.75 ounces. This liner can be trimmed to fit most ovens and air fryers, offering a customized solution for a variety of appliances. Despite its lightweight design, the Cook's Innovations Oven Liner is highly durable and can withstand temperatures up to 500 Fahrenheit. This makes it suitable for use in a range of cooking scenarios, from baking to grilling. The liner's non-stick surface ensures that food and spills do not adhere, making cleanup simple and easy. It can be wiped clean with a cloth or placed in the dishwasher, saving users time and effort. Installation is simple and straightforward. The liner should be placed on a rack near the bottom of the oven to catch any drips and spills from cooking. Its thin, flexible design makes it easy to position and remove as needed, ensuring that it does not interfere with oven operation. This oven liner's combination of lightweight convenience and effective protection makes it an excellent choice for those who want a hassle-free oven liner. Number 1. Thread Nanny Oven Liner. And this oven liner is the best overall oven liner due to its high-quality construction, versatility, and safety features. Made from non-stick Teflon, this liner is designed to provide maximum protection against spills and baked-on messes. The two-piece set fitting most standard-sized ovens and can be trimmed for a custom fit. This flexibility makes it suitable for use in various kitchen appliances, including electric ovens, gas ovens, toaster ovens, convection ovens, and more. This oven liners are BPA and PFOA free, ensuring a safe cooking environment without the risk of harmful chemicals leaching into food. They are also lead and cadmium free, adding an extra layer of safety for health-conscious consumers. The liners can withstand temperatures up to 500 Fahrenheit, making them suitable for a wide range of cooking applications. One of the standout features is their reusability and dishwasher-safe design, allowing for easy cleanup and maintenance. The non-stick surface ensures that food particles do not adhere, reducing the need for scrubbing and harsh cleaning agents. Installing this oven liner is straightforward. It should be placed on the lowest rack in ovens with hidden elements or under the heating element in ovens with exposed elements. This ensures optimal performance and protection for the oven bottom. With its combination of premium quality, safety, versatility, and ease of use, this oven liner is the best overall choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean and efficient kitchen environment. And there you have it, the best oven liners of 2024 that will keep your oven spotless and save you time on cleaning. Whether you're looking for something heavy-duty for those messy baking sessions or a liner that can handle high temperatures with ease, these top picks have you covered. To snag the best deals on these fantastic oven liners, be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow home cooks, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy baking!